if I live to be 100 years old. Oh, it's crazy.
What's going on, guys? Mike from Slowspeed back here with another video for you guys. Today is going to be a little bit different. Let me turn this heat down. Kind of woke up late. Well, I mean, it's 11:38, but that's what I call waking up late, especially when I want to make videos and grind. It's going to be a little bit different. I am headed to the shop, of course. I wanted to take care of some things on my car first, business calls, I guess you'd say. So I'm going to go ahead and do a couple other things on my buddy's 535. I'll talk to you guys a little bit about what I'm doing. Go through a whole little shop life vlog, I guess you'd say, or whatever the case may be. Today we just doing maintenance, but later on in life we're gonna change that. All right, he's already talking about a muffler delete, and that's the first start on those 5 Series because the exhaust on anything 5 Series and up, the exhaust is super quiet on them, like super quiet. 3 Series and 4 Series exhaust, you can tell it's a little bit more loud. And by the way, pardon me guys, pardon me because I don't know, I think I'm coming off on some kind of cold or something. Right now, like I said, let's get on to the shop and begin this video. Peace out, guys. Ooh, he coming behind me too. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Oh. He's out. He's out. Alright guys, I'ma definitely have to put this down because homeboy think he quick. Homeboy think he fast. Hold on. I gotta go. We're in Mexico, by the way. Alright, so we here, we got the cars all lined up. 5 Series is gonna get worked on. We got Manny over here. I didn't even get a full introduction to you in the last video. There was one, but...
How you doing, man? I'm Manny.
It's Chris. Y'all seen him on the last video.
I'm gonna start taking the videos. I'm nice with the camera.
Nah, you are nice with the camera though. I gave you credit.
I'm a little creative there, you know what I'm saying? I got some ideas.
I can't pan too much to the left.
What we doing today?
Oh, plugs, just air filter and oil. Blue key.
Thing is,
yeah, so it's a little different. The intake's up top on this motor. It's an M55, yeah.
All right.
So basically, this gonna have to come off. We'll take that off and do the plugs. He said a Fiat. His only has half. That's crazy. Yo, my man, you be sucking in them leaves, bruh. Hey. We took off the air filter. What did this need? Little Torx. It's the T25, about 6 of them. That comes out on this. The filter's right here. Let me see the new filter. Let me open that box up. They got a sponsor.
Shout out to SCP.
They got a sponsor.
Listen,
lifetime part.
See this
Don't
car
put the
right
address.
here?
Don't put the address in it.
See this car right here? Fastest N26.
Yo, here we go.
This car right here, I only use SCP parts.
Got everything. Air filter, spark plugs,
6 of them because this is an inline 6, 1055 motor.
brake grease tube. We got the rear brakes, oil filter, and the brake sensor. So we do it properly. We got all the proper parts for it. And all of this is lifetime warranty. Look at that, lifetime replacement guarantee. Oh, and it even comes with instructions to tell you how to put the air filter in, which I don't think nobody needs this, but it does. Where'd I put those needle nose pliers at? There's a little pin back there. You just pull it. You just take these clamps. There we go. Another thing too, PSA. When you working on these cars, don't mess with the charge pipe. Don't be too aggressive with these plastic pieces when they hot. These things will unglue themselves. Like these little areas right here will unglue. I did that. I was changing on my cousin 535. I don't know if you ever know my cousin. He had a blue 535. I was upgrading the charge pipe and it was so hot that this plastic just unglued itself, bro. And if you guys don't know what you're doing, make sure you do this on a day like today where the dealership is open in case you need to get more parts. Yo, is it? Oh, you got the 10? Plug. So this right here, it's a little trick I learned. Just taking a zip tie in here and kind of taking the pick tool, lifting this up. This is really delicate, really fragile. You can break these clips easy. I've broken like almost all of them in my car. But so you take the little zip tie, you lift this up and you wedge it right in there. If you can see, it lifts it up just enough the zip tie. So all you need to do is take this tool and go in the bottom one and it all should pop out. Disconnected. This disconnector right here, we didn't need to have to do this for real. We took out that 10mm vacuum, and now we got one more grommet back here, and this piece air intake will come out right here. 1 through 4 is already done. We go to cylinder number 5, which is tucked back here. There is a oxygen sensor bracket that sits right in between there. You'll see it has 2 connectors like this. What you're gonna go ahead and do is pull these back, pull this right here back, push it down, and the 2 connectors will come out where you have access to 5. And we pretty much gonna just finagle 6, so we're gonna lift this up whenever we're done with 5, go back here and get in 6 through the back way. Yeah. I finally show you guys how to torque them down. Down to the last spark plug, I want to show you guys. This right here is what came out, along with the rest of these. I'll show you what's going in. We're using the Bosch OEM. These do Bosch Double Platinum. Pretty much the same spark plug, if you can see. That's the old, that's the new. You put some anti-seize on it so we don't run into a problem again. Just put a little bit on it, you don't need much. That's good right there. A little bit more for the viewers, a little bit more for the viewers. If you're on cylinder 6, you're gonna push this back. When you're working on cylinder 5, you're gonna lift it up. Now he moves to cars.
It's POV style.
Nah, bro. It's whole slow speed, bro. I play everything. Everything gets in the cut. What's going on?
What's happening here? So listen what we got here. This little invention.
So apparently, you want to explain what the problem is?
Over torque your lug stud.
The lug stud is just.
Why you jump out of the? Why you jump out of the thing?
It's true. Come and see that. Like, just take a look inside that hole. It's a lug down hole.
Yo. So pretty much the bolt is stripped. That's it. Trying to take the lug off. I mean the lug bolt off, and it's stripped right in here. So the normal 17-inch socket or 17mm socket will go on there, but it'll slip off. So we picked up something from Harbor Freight. It is a what's this?
Lug extractor tool.
A lug extractor tool.
Or socket extractor.
Yeah, or socket extractor, whatever the case may be. It has your own size, so we get 17mm for the 17mm bolt. If you look at the pattern, it has like this little weird twisty thing in there. It looks like it grabs on to something that could possibly be stripped. So we're gonna test that out. We got Manny did that right here. Slide and dimple rotor with the M Performance brake calipers on it. So let's put this to the test.